So Google is saying this is the biggest artist in Zimbabwe right now. Obviously, if you are from Zimbabwe, let me know in the comment section. Is this the biggest artist in Zimbabwe, or he used to be the biggest artist in Zimbabwe? Usually, I think Google look at the number of people that are playing their new songs, and they are also, I think they have classics that are timeless that people cannot stop listening to. Let's see. Jah Prayza. I've been playing this song because it's my personal favorite.
One is one ditida, zero tia, ndigatidai wambota, risanguva, neguti shimwe pangwembe, vachauya, asiramba uchingo penya kungesua, wanganeza unoti mdara chauya, mudara wajo shimwe noruma.
Yo, for those of you who do not understand Shona and Shona Ace, we say how far do we still say that in 2026? I don't know. I haven't been over there in a long time. How far? Maybe this is like for us, the old guys. Anyway, so he's basically saying, you know what? If you are tired of this guys always just like trying to take you out on a date, you know, asking, yo, what's up? What's happening? Just tell them, you know, my husband is coming. And I think he's been deployed to some, I don't know, stuff. So, you know, people are trying to like take their chances. But he's like, no, just let them know that the man is coming. I hope I translated that properly. So yeah, I didn't go to guitar Shona, but I'm not fluent, you know. The energy in this. I wonder what era was this video supposed to be in. It looks modern and also has
ndigatidai wambota risanguva nekuti zvimwe pamwembe vachauya asiramba uchingopenya kungesuva vanganedza unoti mdara vachauya mudara wacho shimaino.
The production on this video, man, it's incredible.
Ndinga ndina kuskiti
The place looks unreal. It's like a movie set or something. It just looks like, you know, so beautiful. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me see. This video is very, I made it so small. I wonder if people can even see it. But at least you can hear it though. Thank you so much for watching this. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I will see you guys on the other side. Bye.